front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this Oppo device. Firstly, you need to find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Then choose Allow in the pop-up and tap on this standard option over here. Now you can select one of those, standard, meeting or interview. I will go with standard, so I have to click on this gray area over here and tap on this red button to start my recording. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by clicking on the middle button again. In order to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the check mark. Now name your recording and choose save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to play it, just click on it. If you wish to pause it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select the delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!